In Mnova, there are several different ways to overlay or stack a collection of spectral datasets for comparison. Today's tip introduces the newest stacking mode, called Stacked by Class. To make use of this feature, ensure that the class column is displayed in the Stacked Items table. If it is not displayed, the class column can be enabled through the use of the Setup menu. Select each spectrum belonging to the same class by checking the box under the pin icon. Then, within the class column, click to the right of the colored box and use the keyboard to enter the class. Pressing Enter autofills the class column for all the selected spectra. Repeat this process until all classes are assigned. Finally, select all and then choose Stacked by Class under the Mode menu. And there you are. That's all there is to it.